Welcome to our comparison of two innovative portable washing machines designed for those who value convenience and efficiency. Today, we'll be looking at the DXJJ Folding Mini Washing Machine and the Bench Portable Mini Washing Machine. Both of these models cater to the needs of travelers, apartment dwellers, and anyone looking for a compact laundry solution. We'll dive into their features, specifications, and see how they stack up against each other in various categories. When it comes to pricing, the DXJJ Folding Mini Washing Machine is the more budget-friendly option, priced at just $50. In contrast, the Bench Portable Mini Washing Machine comes in at a higher price of $79. While the DXJJ model offers great value for those on a tight budget, the Bench Priory model justifies its higher cost with additional features and a larger capacity. Next, let's talk about capacity. The DXJJ Folding Mini Washer has a capacity of 10 liters, making it suitable for small loads. However, the Bench Portable Mini Washer boasts a larger capacity of 16 liters, allowing for more laundry to be washed at once. This significant difference makes the Bench model a better choice for families or those with larger laundry needs. Finally, let's examine functionality. The DXJJ Folding Mini Washer operates quietly and is easy to use, but it lacks a spin function, requiring manual wringing of clothes. On the other hand, the Bench Portable Mini Washer includes an integrated spin basket, making the washing process more efficient and user-friendly. This added feature can save time and effort, especially for those who wash frequently. In conclusion, both the DXJJ Folding Mini Washing Machine and the Bench Portable Mini Washing Machine have their unique advantages. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with a compact design, the DXJJ model is a great choice. However, if you need a larger capacity and the convenience of a spin function, the Bench model is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.